Alright, Foresters, this is what I should have done last weekend, but unfortunately I was in the hospital, so I'm trying to catch up. I've got our white pineapples here. And they're really root down. Pick it up a little bit here. And we're putting them in the tires because this area does flood pretty bad. These are the ones I'm really excited about. The ones I got from Urban Agriculture. We got it at the ROP Home Show. They've already got little pineapples on them. Now these pineapples, they're not going to get any bigger, but next year hopefully we'll get a pineapple off of them. And we'll be able to plant this head and get a pineapple from it. You know, so. Alright, so now all we gotta do is water in these white Sugarloaf.
Did we just get a kink?
I think we just got a kink. How do we just get a kink?
We got a kink. Got a kink. Anyway, these are the ones where they cost almost $50 just to get them shipped over from Hawaii because they are only native there. So we're hoping to definitely, as they develop, take the tops and grow more so we can have a couple.
Okay. That's much better. So we got the Sugarloaves in. And I didn't cut the centers out of these. Because I want to try to keep these a little more contained. And they don't need a whole lot of area. I'll do the other one. Like I say, our plan is to come back and paint these tires so they're not absorbing so much heat.
And you're going to buy paint for them, so that's something that we're possibly going to start doing here come either late winter, early spring. And we'll see what paint, we'll have to research and find out what paint really goes well with them, unless y'all might know, so we can try it out.
I will use an exterior paint. It's going to be on the outside of the tire, so I'm not too worried about anything getting into the plants themselves. But we'll definitely use a latex paint, a water-based paint, not an oil-based paint. We're going to try to stay away from oil-based paints when we can. All right, now we're off to the dragon fruit. All right, now for the dragon fruit. What I'm going to do is I've cleared away some of these wood chips. I'm going to put a post in the ground, a tire, fill the tire with topsoil, and plant the yellow dragon fruit here. So let me get the hole in the ground and get everything put together, and then we'll plant the dragon fruit for you.
Show us those muscles.
I don't have the muscles I used to.
Boy, they are noisy today, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Now the reason why we're putting this post here is in line with our deck is because we do have plans on either later on expanding the deck a little bit or putting up a temporary type fence to fence this corner in so we can do more herbs. I'd like to put like some stairs going down if we do that. But for right now, we're just temporarily putting this in and going from there. And again, with this dragon fruit, we're going to pretty much do the same thing. We are going to keep it somewhat trimmed so that way the arms aren't going everywhere. That way we can harvest the bananas when they produce. These have just come back. These were all took a hard hit with the frost, except for the ice cream bananas. They kind of just popped up. And there he is, coming back with a tire. Wait a minute. Shouldn't you, if you put the tire down first?
Do what?
Shouldn't you, if you put the tire down first, baby?
No. See, none of the tires.
Oh, I thought you were going to put it around the pole.
No. See how those are right up at it? So is that one.
All right, look at that.
So. Okay, we got the post in. We got the tire. I picked a tire with a real small sidewall, so I don't have to cut it out. And we have the yellow dragon fruit cutting that we got from Urban Homesteaders. And like I say, I recommend him to everybody. Really, everything that we've gotten from him has really taken off good. So
here, take wait, before you water, take this string, because that's this one's already attached. Just take one of them, either I think the middle one there, since we already have a pink one here that's already attached. We had strings on it, so
tie this one up.
Hi, Brownie. There's one of my chickens. We let the flock loose. So if you guys hear a bunch of guineas squawking, that's because they're loose on the run. I'm excited for this one. The yellow one, it was so sweet, guys. So sweet.
Water it down. And that's planting our yellow dragon fruit cutting.
Alright, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.